Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open the application and then tap here to settings section. After that, select always on display, and just to turn off the AID we should click here only once on the switcher on the right upper corner. Now we can see that all of the options stay blocked, and when we'll lock the device we can see that the always on display feature successfully turned off. This is the regular our device feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.